They go off at a very inconvenient time. We can try to ignore them, we can reset them, but they demand an immediate response from us. Some of us make 6 alarms just to make sure we get up. God has alarm clocks in the Bible. One of them is his son, Jesus. He was called to wake people up, but they all hit the snooze button. They knew they needed to wake up and change, but they wanted to sleep in, live the way that they wanted, wear a religious mask. They ended up killing that alarm clock, smashing it on the cross. But they didn't know by killing him, he would save the whole world of its sin and become the lighthouse for the world. Your sins put him on the cross. My sins put him on the cross. When are you gonna stop hitting the snooze button? It's time to wake up. Jesus is calling you. Jesus is saying, hey, time to get up. Now's the time. He's ringing, because when he comes back again, which he's coming back again, what will you be doing? Where are you gonna be in your life? Are you gonna be serving him, or are you gonna be snoozing? God bless you, and I hope this blessed you in some way. Adios.